Is it your real hair? Oh,
Yeah, it's fine.
okay. Okay. Hi, how are you? Good, okay. Where are you from?
India. Where are you from?
Oh, you're from India, okay. I'm from Bangladesh.
I'm from New Delhi. New Delhi.
New Delhi. Okay. Can you please stop the music? Please stop the music. I can't hear you very well. You live in New Delhi, right? So where are you originally from? Which state?
I'm from the Philippines, but I live in New Delhi right now.
Oh, okay. Why you there?
I work in I work in a call center.
Oh, you work in a call center in Delhi. Oh, okay. So before how long you have gone there?
3 months.
Only 3 months. Okay. So your name? What's your name?
Marga.
What?
Marga.
Marga. Oh, nice name. Nice to meet you. Marga. Love you, Marga.
I'm planning to go to Mumbai next month.
Oh, you are planning to go to Mumbai next month, right? Okay, so why you wanna go there? For visiting?
With many good places and beautiful
Okay.
places.
Okay. So you should visit our country too. I mean Bangladesh.
Oh, you're from Bangladesh?
Yeah. So Marka,
No, because in India there's a lot of salary.
yeah,
Like
yeah. Your
like
salary,
money.
you mean you earn a big amount in every month, right? Okay. Maybe you are happy with your job, right? Okay. Your hair is real or fake? Is it your real hair? Oh,
Yeah, it's fine.
okay. Okay.
Water.
Okay. Do you have any boyfriend? Can I say something if you don't mind? Can I say? Accept my PK. Accept PK again.
Because I exercise.
Oh, you exercise. Oh, okay. It's